Data science is a rapidly growing field in America, attracting individuals who thrive on solving problems through data. With an impressive demand for skilled professionals and high earning potential, embarking on a data science career is an exciting prospect. If you find joy in navigating through complex datasets and deriving meaningful insights, this journey may be right for you. Understanding the steps you need to take is essential to this exciting career transformation. The first step to becoming a data scientist is obtaining a bachelor's degree in a relevant discipline, such as data science, computer science, statistics, or mathematics. While formal education lays a strong foundation, employers increasingly prioritize practical experiences and technical prowess. Therefore, supplementing your degree with additional learning, internships, or projects is vital. This combination will make your resume stand out in a crowded field of applicants, showcasing your commitment and skill set. Once you have your degree, focus on acquiring core technical skills fundamental to data science. Proficiency in programming languages such as Python and SQL is paramount, alongside a solid understanding of statistics and machine learning principles. Master data visualization tools like Tableau or Power BI to effectively convey insights drawn from data. These skills meld together to create a toolkit that allows you to tackle real-world challenges and provide solutions that resonate with businesses. Additionally, consider tackling practical projects to build your portfolio. For instance, work on developing algorithms for sales predictions or creating customer behavior models. Real projects not only solidify your understanding, but also serve as tangible evidence of your capabilities to future employers. As you cultivate a robust GitHub presence, remember that showcasing your work is often as important as any degree or certification you might possess. Gaining real-world experience is the next step. Seek out internships or entry-level positions as a data analyst, which can seamlessly transition into a data scientist role. Earning respected industry certifications, such as those from Google or IBM, can also enhance your credentials. As you garner experience, keep your eyes on the job market for opportunities that align with your growing skill set, such as junior data scientist or machine learning analyst positions. As you dive into a data science career, anticipate a rewarding salary trajectory. Entry-level positions command generous salaries, often ranging between $70,000 and $110,000 annually. For seasoned professionals, especially in top tech companies, salaries can soar beyond $150,000. Remember, continual learning is crucial in this fast-paced field, ensuring you stay updated on advancements in technology and methodologies. With consistent dedication to skill enhancement, you can establish a flourishing career in data science, paving your path towards success in one of America's most dynamic industries.